In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your delegates in DocuSign. We'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that you can manage your documents effortlessly by assigning delegates to help out when needed. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to the top right corner of your DocuSign dashboard, where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it and select My Preferences from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Preferences Settings page. Once you're on the Preferences page, turn your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you will see a list of options. Locate and click on Delegation. This section is specifically designed to help you manage who can act on your behalf in DocuSign. To initiate the process of adding a delegate, click on the Add Delegate button. This will open a new window where you can specify the duration of their delegation. You'll need to set both a start date and an end date. This feature is particularly useful if you're going to be away and want to ensure that document management continues smoothly. Next, you'll need to select a user from your existing account by examining the list provided. Once you've identified the right person, click the Add button. Remember, if you find that there are no available users to add as delegates, it could mean that you need to first add these individuals to your account. Let's briefly touch on how you can do that. To add a new user, you will need to access the Admin tab in DocuSign. Be patient as it loads, as this might take a few moments depending on your internet connection and the system's current workload. Once you're in, look back at the left-hand panel and select Users. In this section, you're given the option to add new users to your account. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for any individuals you want available as potential delegates. With these users added to your account, you can easily revisit the delegation section in your preferences. There, simply repeat the delegate adding process and select the newly added users. By doing so, you're ensuring your document workflow is flexible and your responsibilities are seamlessly managed, even if you're not around. And there you have it. That's the whole process of adding delegates in DocuSign. It's a straightforward procedure that can significantly enhance your productivity and document handling capabilities. We hope this tutorial helps empower you to get the most out of your DocuSign account. Remember, managing your workspace efficiently means you can focus more on your critical tasks, knowing your documents are in good hands. Happy delegating!